Okay.
Here we go. This is our Rube Goldberg Project, and our being Anthony Milkey, Nico Robinson, and John Howard.
And Nico is a little sad today, so he's not going to be talking at all.
Yeah. So
Okay.
it starts with the ball being on this little cart, and so the first step is that the cart will start up above and it will roll down, which will cause the ball to fall off onto the ramp here, and then the ball will continue rolling down and will fall into this fun little contraption.
Which we call the shark for some
It's
reason.
called the shark, yes.
And it has like 2 levels, so it falls in, rolls, slows it down a little with this net that proved to be useless, and then falls down this extra step down there. And then it falls onto this
Onto this
Lego
railroad track.
mechanism.
Yeah, and so the energies for all of this is a combination of gravitational potential energy, and as it continues to go downhill, it converts into kinetic energy. And
Yes.
so that holds true all the way down the track.
This track
Mm-hmm.
right here.
And then the ball will collide right here with the large object here, and this object will then fall into this cup here, and as a result of that, the cup will pull on this, which will then pull the trigger of this Nerf gun, and as a result, the Nerf gun will fire. And within here, we have another type of energy, spring potential energy. And so as soon as this cup pulls down, it releases the spring, and the spring fires.
A
and
Nerf,
this starts
a Nerf dart.
a Nerf dart.
Nico, do you want to talk a little? Oh, he's not answering.
And then the Nerf dart will then hit this piece of cardboard up here, which will knock this ball and release it here, and the ball will roll down into this cup.
Which is pre-filled with some marbles and has a lime attached to the bottom to weigh it down a little bit.
Just a little bit. And as a result, as soon as the ball lands in here, this will begin to, or its weight will begin to pull it down, and as a result, the tension in the string will lift up this track, which will then cause this car in here to roll down it because of gravitational potential energy, and it will gain kinetic energy, and then it will transfer it into this boat, which the collision will cause the boat to begin moving forward. And then there's a magnet attached to the front of the boat and a magnet right here. And so the magnetic energy of these two, as the boat gets closer, will pull it much faster, and then this narwhal looking thing will begin to knock over these dominoes, shall we say, and dominoes will climb up, climb up, climb up, and then the last one will hit the fire truck, and the fire truck will then fall into this cup, and the cup will...
Which is also pre-filled with some objects.
Yes.
Like bullseye balls, that game.
Yeah, good game. And then, as a result of this, the tension will then pull on this little trigger mechanism for this cannon, which curiously also has a spring inside. And so the spring potential energy will be released when this is pulled, which will launch the dart, which will fly across to this spot.
And it'll hit this big car.
Mm-hmm. Which
And
will then move forward, and it'll roll, and it will land on the easy button, which will say,
That was easy.
boom.
done.